All right, guys, today we're going to be showing you how to connect your Huawei MatePad Air with your iPhone 16 Pro. All right, so what we're going to want to do is go into settings, go to Bluetooth. Once we get to Bluetooth, all we have to do is scroll and then make sure that your iPhone Bluetooth is on as well. So it is on, and we should see it here. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time. All right, so if it's not popping up on the MatePad, what you're gonna wanna do is go into your iPhone and then let the iPhone's Bluetooth find the device, and then it'll pop up in here. So then we're gonna pair. And then you'll see it says pair right here. I'm gonna go ahead and push OK, pair. Now they should be connected. And check out some of the other MatePad videos. Bye-bye.